matter what comes, fresh goes better in life. With Mentos fresh and full of life. Nothing gets to you, staying fresh, staying cool. With Mentos fresh and full of life. Fresh goes better. Mentos freshness. Fresh goes better with Mentos fresh and full of life.
Mentos, the fresh maker.
We just got something in the shop that hasn't been sold new in the United States for almost 40 years. The three-wheelers were huge in the 80s. Honda, Yamaha, everybody made them. People got hurt, and media went crazy. They got banned, and that was almost 40 years ago. The loophole? Well, shoot. One guy in Arizona figured it out. He brought them back, and he got the CPSC to classify it as a Class 2 e-bike. He holds 2 patents. He is the only person who can legally manufacture a new three-wheeler in America. So, what am I talking about? The mini RCR T3. This thing is cool with its 750 watt motor, its balloon tires that give you that Honda ACT throwback feel, the 3 wheels, doing wheelies, automatic torque, it's electric. But the coolest part about it is the reason why it has the Class 2 e-bike rating is because the pedals are functional, which means I can move it, and it's probably gonna be pretty hard to get home with its 250-pound chassis weight, but they're functional, and as soon as I hit the throttle, they turn into foot pegs. Well, that's enough to give it the Class 2 e-bike. So you can take it anywhere an e-bike is allowed. I've taken it downtown, I've taken it through parks, I've taken it to my kids' soccer games. People come by, is that an actual three-wheeler? Yes, it is. Another part of the Class 2 is it only goes 20 miles per hour. That's the regulation on a Class 2 e-bike. If you talk to us, we might have a way of making it go a little bit faster, but that's where the tickets come into play. So let's give it a once-over. First of all, keys, just like anything, turn it on, light it up. You've got 3 different modes up here and a switch that controls the whips, as well as the headlight up here. So pretty self-explanatory. Just like starting a car, it's in park right now. It's not gonna go anywhere. If I crank it over one time, like you would start a motor, now it's in gear, and now it's actually going to move. Again, click it once over, goes back into park. So pretty self-explanatory, although I will say in the short amount of time we've had it, I've seen people not put it into park, get off of it, and when they get back on it, they grab this to put their leg over, and funny things happen. Battery, HUD screen, like this is awesome. Everything's right in front of you. You can see what gear you're in. You can see how fast you're going. You can see how many miles are on it, how many hours are on it. So pretty cool. It's 2026, so something like that, pretty much expected. Coolest part about this, like we said, made in Arizona, USA product, billet chassis. This thing is sexy, shiny, lightweight, only 250 pounds total, which given the fact that it's a 750 watt motor and the batteries these things have to hold, it actually tells you how much weight they shaved off by going like billet and plastics. Another cool part, like I said, the pedals are functional, so there's 2 drive belts, one connected to the electric motor, one connected to the pedals. So I can move this with just the pedals, which gives it that Class 2 e-bike rating, but as soon as I hit that throttle, they even themselves out and it's a much more comfortable, torquey ride. Wheelies, not a problem. Battery life, so about 4 to 5 hours of drive time on the battery, about the same to charge it up from empty as well. Now, honestly, that totally depends on how you drive it, because if I'm cruising a road around in mode 1, which is 10% throttle and 10 miles per hour, I'm obviously gonna get more battery life than 100% throttle, 20 miles per hour in mode 3. Mode 2, right in the middle of it. Honestly, my kids ride around mode 2, perfectly safe. It takes away a little bit of that instant torque you get from an electric model, but still fun and still has that throttle response you would expect from something like a three-wheeler. The T3 starts at $6,599. We have them in stock right here, Fury Motorsports. So come see us, check it out, ride this one for yourself, and see how cool this thing really is. And if you've made it this far into the video, I've got a special offer just for you. You mention me talking about this thing in this video right now, and I will give you $1,000 off. While supplies last, I only have a few of them left, but call me out, I'll give you $1,000 off. So come down to Fury Motorsports in Castle Rock and get you the legal three-wheeler today.